What up, Christmas lights and pressure washers and lawn care guys or whoever else is wanting to learn about Christmas lights? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about bushes and how to install Christmas lights on bushes and how to run power to them and how not to run power to them. I did a video of how not to run power to them. This video, I'm going to show you how to run power to them. Now, there's a couple different types of bushes, and as in whether they're real close together or real far apart. So these here are all close together, and I'll show you what we can do here when they're all close together. So you can see my power is ran right here, and that's my power that runs up for my light for the rest of the thing. So I hook in here, and then there's two ways you can do this. You can wrap them in a circular motion here like this one is, or you can wrap them in a back and forth motion. We kind of want to keep that four finger, kind of that six. Don't get, the closer is a little bit better. This one here is about that four finger. That's where I kind of like them at. That way I know I got enough lights. And then basically what I'm going to do is so this is the male end. My female is going to go in here, and I'm going to this is all one long strand of lights right here. All these lights are one strand. This is one big long strand all the way to the end here. I could power in the middle if I needed to, but these aren't drawing that much, and I'm not worried about it. Each bush took one strand per bush. So if we were charging them out, it'd be $30, $30, $30, $30. You can kind of get the point of how much these bushes are going to cost. But with that being said, if we didn't have all these bushes and they were, if they got 6 inches in between, then we don't want to run a strand of lights across, or if they're 10 inches a piece, if they're 10, 12 inches a piece, then we don't want to run them daisy chain. What we're going to do is we're going to run an extension cord all the way down along the bottom of this, and then we'll hook down into the power to power each individual bush. But where these are all together, we can get away with making them with that. And like I say, you can wrap them two different ways. You can wrap them obviously this way, which this is on the ground. We're going to have to make sure we get these off the ground. If you don't get them off the ground, they will cause problem when it rains and stuff. So we can wrap them this way, or we can wrap them back and forth. The biggest thing with back and forth is we got to make sure that they don't come up and that we get them hooked underneath so that they stay there. But again, he's going to bring these all the way up down through here, and this will be one piece. Now, when you get these are kind of apart, we will run these apart, but they're not too much. If we're much more the gap than that, then we will want to put an extension cord all the way down the bottom and then drop that extension cord down. It don't look good through it. Now, when they are like this, we usually want to jump on the bottom versus at the top, so it don't look like we got wires hanging out at the top of it. And then we will come over here and wrap that there. And you can see here, I'll come back here and what these look like, all wrapped up nice and beautiful. And you can see what the house looks like, a big old house with Christmas lights. And he's just working here, and this is the last part here. So that is how we do bushes. So with that being said, bushes are your number one callback. If you're going to have a callback, it's going to be on bushes and trees on your minis. We never, and that's why I always said if I did another business myself, it would be C9s and a wreath, because that's where the money's really at. Bushes are good money. We charge anywhere from $30 to $40 a strand, depending on how much we really want to do the job or not. Bushes are really a pain in the neck. They do look good and they make the house look good, but they can be a pain in the neck. Animals eat it. Christmas lights. The water gets, if they sit in water, it's going to short them out. All different kinds of problems that we can have with minis on the ground. So that's why I really like the Christmas, the C9s and a wreath. With that being said, if you would like to learn more about Christmas lights, how to install, how to quote, all that great stuff, go check out my membership. There's a lot of great information in there. I go over everything you need to know, how to get business, how to market yourself, how to keep business, how to install, how to design, the whole 9 yards. So go check out christmaslightshelp.com/training or membership. I'll put the link right across here, and there'll be a link in the bottom. But if you would like to learn more about some Christmas lights and how to put them all around a window, go check out this video up here. And if you'd like to check out how to do them on a roof, check out this video here, and I'll see you in my next video.